Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm doing a continuation of the last one where I improved on my UFO print. How did I do it? I split it. So, you can see right here, I got two pieces right here that I need to join together. So, right here I have my bottom piece. You got the little hole for the door for the abduction and the entrance and all that stuff, and we have the top. So first I have a Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this. I'm going to glue these two pieces together using the hot glue. Okay, so first got these two pieces, and I have a Z-seam on each of these. So right here we have the Z-seam. So you probably can't see it very well, but I got that there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line those up. It kind of gives me a point of reference, right? So right here, okay, I got those lined up. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply just a little bit on one of the halves here, right? You don't need a whole lot, or else it kind of thickens and everything. And then it just kind of creates a gap between these print pieces. So let's add some glue at these little spots here. Okay. And then once I find our spots here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these together. And then I'm going to allow those to kind of fuse. Now right here I can feel kind of like a little bit of heat where we got some hot glue fusing this thing together. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And that'll allow for an instant bond. But then, right here on the edges, we do have where there's going to be a little bit of a seam. And what I want to do is that I want to seal that off. Okay? So now, and allow that to kind of fuse together there with the glue. And then, next tool I have is the soldering iron. Okay. So the soldering iron is right here. Okay. My soldering tool, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fuse this piece together, and I have like a flat tip on this. Okay. Then I am going to take this flat tip and I'm going to just run it along the seam like so. I'm not going to do it very long, otherwise you get a really, really ugly join. But just run it along the seam here to allow it to melt together. And typically when I do this, it's about 200 degrees Celsius that I'll do it. Maybe a little bit more. But I typically keep it around there when I'm doing that. I'm just going to inspect it around the edges here just to make sure it's sealed up. I don't want to miss any of this. What's nice is it cools down nice and quick, and then you get it nice and sealed off, and then you have a joined print. So that is the tutorial I have for this week. So let me know what you think of this video. So now I have a complete 3D printed UFO, and I'm really happy with this print. So let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching this. Have a great day, guys.